Floor coating success is assured by properly preparing the concrete and correctly installing the coating. Surface preparation is important because it is responsible for anchoring the system to the floor, and proper installation methods guarantee the coating will appear and wear as specified. This video gives a step-by-step demonstration of one type of installation. Though there is no specific name for this system, it can be referred to by its product makeup. Polyaspartic, a quick cure resin, quartz, colored sand made from coating systems, and flake, a vinyl paint chip also made from coating systems, all combined to make up a Poly Quartz flake floor. Step 1 is diamond grinding. This process removes all old contaminants from the base slab. And as the machine operates, it removes all old coatings, adhesives, and patch compounds. An additional benefit to the diamond grinding process is it flattens the floor as it operates. Step 2 is shot blasting. This process removes all the fine dust that simple vacuuming cannot. The machine agitates the surface under negative pressure and completely removes all fine dust. It's this dust that can negatively affect the resin's complete bond or attachment to the base slab. Step 3 is skim coat. This process applies a thin layer of polyaspartic resin to fill the small holes and seal the surface. By closing the slab surface, the next layer of resin will stay on the surface rather than being absorbed into the pores of the concrete. Step 4 is dip and roll the broadcast coat. This layer is applied to hold the broadcasted quartz. The amount necessary is variable by specification, but a common minimum thickness is 6 mils, or 260 square feet per gallon. The quartz is then broadcasted directly onto the wet resin. Step 5 is the squeegee coat, or the second broadcast. Once the first coat is dried to the touch, which is variable by formula and environment, the surface is vacuumed to remove all loose quartz. The second coat is applied by squeegee and backrolled. This will consume much more resin because the quartz is absorbent and has created a profile that must be filled. Consumption will vary. Here, the surface required a quantity equal to 25 mils, or 60 square feet per gallon. The flake is applied to saturation level specified. Here it was plus or minus 10%. Then the floor is broadcast with quartz until the surface is fully covered. Step 6 is the final seal coat. Once the previous coat is dried to the touch, the surface is vacuumed to remove all loose quartz. The third coat is applied by squeegee and backrolled. This step again will consume at least the same resin as the second coat because the quartz is absorbent and has created a profile that must be filled. Again, consumptions will vary. Here, the surface required a quantity equal to 25 mils, or 60 square feet per gallon. Once the process is complete, 24 hours should be allowed to pass before it receives any traffic. Full cure time will vary by formula. As with any coating system, it's strongly recommended that the product manufacturer is consulted for additional do's and don'ts. To discover how you can own any of the equipment highlighted in this video, or any other BMD product, or perhaps you have a technical or training question, please feel free to reach out to your BMD representative at the listed email address or phone number. If you enjoyed this video and would like to be notified when future tutorial videos are posted, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel.